In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to set up YouTube live streaming using Streamlabs. So first of all, make sure you have downloaded your Streamlabs on your PC and installed it. After launching the Streamlabs, click on Settings. In Settings, select Stream. In here, you'll find YouTube. So first of all, we have to connect our YouTube account or channel with Streamlabs. So just click on Connect next to YouTube. And here, select your YouTube account, click on Continue, click on Continue. And as you can see, I've successfully connected my YouTube account with Streamlabs. Now clicking on Done. And here under Sources, go ahead and add your audio and video sources. So in my case, I'm going to stream a pre-recorded gameplay on my YouTube. So as you can see, I've already added the video file under Sources. Now just click on Go Live. In here, we have to enable YouTube. And then if you want, you can change the event name from here, and you can write your YouTube streaming title. You can write a description here, and privacy, I'm selecting private for example. And you can add category here. You can add a thumbnail for your live streaming on YouTube. You can just go ahead and adjust these settings. Then click on Confirm and go live. Once successfully live started, I'm going back to my YouTube and I'm clicking on View Your Channel. Here, as you can see, the live successfully started on my YouTube. So that's how you can actually go live on our YouTube using Streamlabs. Thanks for watching.